Let's create a Halloween flyer on Microsoft Word. All you need to do is click on your Microsoft Word application. Once you're in, to the left, you'll get 4 options: Home, New, Recent, or Open. Click on New. And to the right, on the search, type in Halloween. You can really type any holiday, but since we're in October, let's type in Halloween. What's nice about putting a keyword is that it brings up a lot of options. Ooh, this looks quite nice. Let's click on this one. And this is what it's going to look like. Cheeky little bat, cobwebs, has all this information kind of pre-populated, so you'll be able to adapt it to what you want. Your RSVP, you can put a name, a link, a phone number. After you're happy with it, save it. And this is what it's going to look like once you've saved. Bold colors, orange and black. Funny little pumpkins. A nice professional flyer. And there you have it, a professional looking Halloween flyer. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, or subscribe. Thank you.